Anggi sa Indoga Boss, mga katiwala. Balik po kita. This is a tuyang programa. So, I was discussing tane po, the difference between the chapel, a parish, cathedral, and a basilica. So, balikan ta lang po, no? So, a cathedral is the church that is run by the bishop. It's the bishop's church, no? So yan ang sa iyang kung baga sabi ko eksubago, yan po diyan ang sa iyang cathedral, na. So technically he's the parish priest, no? That is the director sa the it is where he stays. It is his parish, personal kang obispo. Now, it is named cathedra because of the chair, that it is there. Sabi ko ba po, digdi sa cathedral, it is facing the altar. It is on the left side. You see something there with a canopy. Now, basilica, there are two types. There is what we call the major and minor basilicas. The basilicas major are the four personal churches of the Pope. Now, there are four major basilicas in Rome: the Archbasilica of St. John Lateran, St. Peter's Basilica, that's the biggest place of worship in the church, no? The Basilica of St. Paul outside the walls, and the Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore. Now, minor basilicas could be found around the world. No? So the term basilica is an additional label to whatever the structure already is. Any cathedral, or it can also be a basilica. No? So that is the difference. No? So basilica, cathedral, and no? Ining mga manlain-lain na mga bagay na ini. Basilica is a church that has been granted by the Holy Father, privileged by the Holy Father due to its historical. So kaya po digdi sa tuya sa Philippines may nagkapirang mga simbahan na, no? Especially after ngunya na mga 2020s, 2020 pataas, no? So dakulo ng mga after the I think this was after our celebration of 500 years of Christianity, if I'm not mistaken, no? So kadakol ng mga nagsurulputan na nagpig-declare, sorry for the word, pig-declare na mga basilicas because of this saro sa mga privilege, no, na because of its historical value. No? Of course, of its spiritual value. No, na yaon so pinagduduman nin kadakol na mga tawo, dakol na mga deboto ang nagdiyan, no? And of course, there's also what we call one of the requirements, it is because of its architectural importance. Na araw baga po kang sa one example of because of its architectural importance is the one in Taal, na Basilica of Saint sa Taal, no? So it is a basilica because of its architectural value. It is really big. Dakula talaga, no? It's the biggest church in Asia. I think in Asia it is considered as the biggest in Asia, no? Kaya siya was considered as basilica. So and also others, no, because of its historical value and spiritual value. So sa naghapot gani sa kuya, no, salamat sa imong paghapot, no, na bako sa na ikang nakanood, sabi ko nga sa iya, this is one good topic to be shared, no? Because dakulo na mga naghahapon nangyayat basilica, shrine, no. A shrine could also be a parish, no, because the parish is the community. Na sabi ko ani ko kasubago, the parish speaks of the community, the shrine is of because of the spiritual value na yaon dyan sa sa lugar na iyan, no? Because before it became a shrine, it was first a parish, no? And of course, going to smaller, no, araw ngayon may mga parokya na haling sa pagiging chapel naging parokya na elevate, pero kang naging parokya na po araw kang digdis po sa rawis. Let us take for example, no, before, when it was still a quasi parish, the parish church was there in sa sentrong Rawis, no. But when it was elevated to a parish, no, because bago may mga stages man po 'yan, no, ang mission station, quasi parish, and full-fledged parish, no. So kang naging linipat na digdi sa sa may UST, no? And then it was later known to be the parish of Padre Pio, and last year it was elevated into a shrine, no? So digdi man sa tawing diocese do nagkapilang mga barangay chapel, no, because of being after evaluation, no, na pwede naman ang community iyan is a vibrant community. And it will be helpful for a community na magkaigwaning sa diring administrator sa inda to help them in their spiritual needs and to those surrounding barangays, no. So kaya may mga na-elevate to a mission station, to a quasi parish, and a parish na arbaga po sa Batang, no, dyan sa Ligao, dyan man po sa Masarawag, sa Ginubatan. And kunyan, we're waiting for the decree of the bishop. There is one parish to be declared the quasi parish, from a mission station to a quasi parish this coming October. So there is another magiging bagong quasi parish dito sa tuyang diocese, na. So because of the growing number of faithful, na tangani may mas mamatian kan tawo ang simbahan. Karon man sa nabaga po yan, in 2020, for the longest time we had only 3 vicariates consisting of the 3 congressional districts of the province of Albay, no. And in 2022, because after evaluation and diocesan pastoral assembly, diocesan pastoral council, no, so from 3 vicariates we now have 6, no, namely the vicariate of St. John the Baptist, having St. John the Baptist Parish in Tabaco as its center, St. Rose of Lima Parish, St. Rose of Lima Vicariate, having St. Rose of Lima in Bacacay as its center, no. The Vicariate of St. Raphael the Archangel, having the parish of St. Raphael as its center, the Vicariate of St. Gregory the Great, having the Cathedral Parish at its center, the Vicariate of St. Stephen in Ligao, now having St. Stephen Parish as its center, and of course the Vicariate of Saints Peter and Paul, having the parish of St. Peter and Paul in Pulangi as its center, no? So minimum ning I think 5 or 9 parishes, no, na ang yaon dyan, because dati ang sarong vicariate 20 or more na mga parokya, pero ngunyan minimum of 9 or pinakadakulan na yata 10, no, sa nga ito garo igwang 10, no. So yan po, no, at least it is more on the governance, kaya baba po ini pig pasaranit na. So that's it. So mga katiwala, salamat po sa indong paghinanyog di sa satuya sa programang Hello Fathers ngunya na Martes ning pagkahapon. Now happy fiesta in advance sa mga parokya mga fiesta ngunyan. Asin di po makalingaw sa Thursday po ang Family Congress kan Commission on Family and Life. No? Salamat tabi. Diyos marahin na banggi sa inyong kabos mga katiwala.
Napasaindo ang programang Hello Fathers sa Agaliwat, Antabayanan asin makipag-istoryahan sa satuyang mga kapadean. Hello